Welcome to our presentation about market basket analysis. This topic is relevant especially in retail and e-commerce settings to enhance cross-selling and targeted advertisement, but also to simplify customers' decision-making process. How can market basket data be analyzed? There are two main approaches to analyze the choice of baskets of consumers. These are explanatory and exploratory approaches. The explanatory approach often uses multivariate logit or probit models. We will focus on an exploratory approach in this presentation, the method of association rule mining. Association rule mining is a method to discover customer purchasing patterns by extracting associations from stores' transaction data. An algorithm to gather these associations is the a priori algorithm. Away from the market basket analysis, the association rules generated can also be integrated in recommendation engines. The next slide will explain association rule mining in a bit more detail. We use the method association rule mining to find a set of rules that specify patterns of relationships between items. The most important part of this methodology are the association rules. A typical rule has the shown format. On the left-hand side is an item combination that can be found in the dataset, and on the right-hand side is an item set that is found in combination with the left-hand side. This example means that if people buy bread and butter, then milk is also likely to be bought. The two important measures are the minimum support that describes how often a rule appears in the dataset and minimum confidence that measures the predictive power of the rule. Both minimum values are specified by the user. Our literature review shows that in marketing, the topics market basket analysis and cross-selling are analyzed by several researchers. We also include the information systems literature into our review, and there we can see that lots of studies already used association rule mining. Recommendation engines are also more present in information systems literature. As presented, we would like to combine these topics with our analysis by implementing association rule mining in marketing. In our practical work, we received a large transaction dataset from a European retailer. After cleaning the dataset, it includes around 17,000 transactions and 4,000 items. The basket size ranges from 2 to 546 items in one basket. In order to explore the possibilities of market basket analysis, especially association rule mining in marketing, we formulated three practical questions. How can we analyze transactional data to identify customer segments? How can methods of market basket analysis help us develop a strategy for specific products? And can we use transactional data to create personalized recommendations? Our first goal is to segment the customers by conducting a cluster analysis. The first segment, all-round buyer, includes customers who buy a lot of items from different categories. Next, the mass buyer also have large baskets, but they buy the same products in different styles and colors. The last segment, one-time buyer, includes all customers who only buy a few items and only purchase once. As a potential strategy, we propose that we focus on the segments all-round buyer and mass buyer with strategies to enhance cross-categorical purchasing, for example, with coupons or themed product placement. Our second goal is to develop strategies for individual products using association rule mining. As an example, we chose coffee. We find 150 rules for the product. For example, the second rule says that customers who buy alarm clock, bake like bread, and coffee, they also buy sugar. Therefore, we propose to set up a theme page that includes all items that are also included in the rules with coffee to inspire customers to purchase related products. Lastly, we try to make individualized product recommendations using a recommendation engine based on association rules. We introduce a fictional customer, Laura, who buys wobbly chicken, party bunting, black tea, wrap, and woodland Charlotte bag. The recommendation engine recommends the product's decoration, metal, sugar jars, coffee, and billboard fonts design. All in all, we can see that market basket analysis offers many possibilities for getting insights and knowledge on customers and purchase behavior. We will finish this presentation by showing our references.